welcome back to another video with me. It's another beautiful sunshiny day, but still, body dey weak us like you do with Sokoye due to the news we dey come across for the media. Happen for this our country. Women dey pass through a lot too. So women eye dey see back from their in-laws. Their in-laws wey supposed to protect them with the children wey dey die live for the woman. Now there could come be a toe to the wife neck. Wetin dey happen? And if it dey out there, you know say this kind evil act dey happen for your community or for your state. Stand up to speak out now, because today if it be this woman own, tomorrow if it be your turn. Nobody knows tomorrow. Onye malinechi. Because this woman never think, he never imagine for her life say she go marry one day, her husband go leave her, leave children, and this kind thing go happen to her. So according to this beautiful young widow, when he cry, call the media, it is not my wish to become a widow at this time, leaving these innocent 3 boys and our adopted daughter for only me to cater for. God decided to call my dear husband home on time, away from sickness and pains. But it will be an error for I, Princess Chidima, to fold my hands and allow my late husband brothers take away what their late father and I labor for. Since last week, I have been denied access to the home I live with my children. My husband brothers went to my house with men of the underworld, thinking I was inside so that they can end my life and that of my children. Unfortunately for them, they met my absence inside my compound, but unleashed their anger on my staff, and my younger sister went away with documents, pushed them out of my home almost naked, and gave a stern warning that I shouldn't come close to my house if I don't want my family to come and carry my dead body. As if that wasn't enough, they changed my house key. I and my kids aside, with the help of the Nigeria police, they were able to apprehend them yesterday and took one of them to my house and made him unlock their keys so that I and my kids can have access to my house. I never knew this is what young widows go through in death. You do this one. Okay. Dear young women preparing to get married, please make sure you are prepared spiritually, mentally, and most especially financially. It gets why, but please avoid men. One of the best man from there died in August 11. If you are not financially secure, my dear sister, you don't have business with marriage. Nobody go give you this advice. Went into marriage, prepare. That is why I am still standing tall. Unayera, unayera, una see wetin some family dey do to their brother, their late brother children, because you do this kind thing to the wife. Who you think say you dey do am to? You dey do am to your brother children. If truly say you love your brother, or that your brother when he pass on pay you so much, you no go do anything when e go hurt the children. The only thing wey you go do na to support the wife, check on the children, because you love that your brother, because na then now come be your brother. But no, Some Nigerians, they no get that orientation for head. Whether na their prayer for their brother to kpai so that they will come drag property with the wife, I no even know. I know of a woman, I dey always dey talk about this woman every time. That's why I take dey Nigeria. This woman help me a lot. When I say help with food, na how I take come in contact with this woman, because the same thing when it happen to this woman, so husband passed away and this woman get 5 children, 4 girls, 1 boy. The woman even get belle before the man kpai. The moment the man kpai, na so they pursue the wife and the 4 children with the belle comot for the house. Lock all the man shop. The man get many shop for New Benin market. They lock everywhere, pursue the wife comot. Wetin the woman wan do? Nowhere to go. Na e take come upper. Come take face me, I slap you. Na there I for know the woman. If not, I for not even know that woman, because that woman wey you see her na Ajebo. Na beautiful housewife when e be say husband dey take care of. When you see her children, you go know say all those one, they never know wetin dem dey call suffer. But where the man go, wetin be their own suffer become wetin dem dey use take dey drink garri every day. Just the advice wey this lady give to young women, e say make sure say you prepare spiritually, physically, financially. If you never get this quality, you get nothing to do with marriage. E say na because say she prepare herself, because they say when you know where you for dey come, you go prepare for everything. They say wood wey you don see finish, e no go blind your eye. Na im make her still stand tall today. Just imagine if this woman na one kind woman wey make dem. Na so dem go take pursue this woman, put her out there. Na so dem go suffer until the woman go cater for the children by herself. Maybe God go come bless one of the children, or God go come bless all the children. The woman go pick up again. Wetin their papa work for, wey suffer for, one papa brother or sister go dey enjoy am, while the next of kin dey suffer, no even ask to stay. How can you come to your brother house, your late brother house, lock door, put your brother children and the wife for outside? That will not be which character? So Nigeria government or the authority, they need to look into all these things. Make dem give the women leg to stand, the widows leg to stand. Because right now, a lot of widows for our country, they no get leg to stand o, because the family of their husband, they don brush their leg comot for ground. They cripple them. Yeah, they cripple them. So it is time to pass a law. This one na small, no be rocket science na. Papa die, like my father die. Wetin my father get, no be me get am. Wetin concern my papa brother concern my papa property. Yes, I know say tradition, but if my papa no born, fine. Make dem say okay, na because say no born boy. This woman born 3 boys. 3 boys o, plus their adopted daughter. What are you talking about? This is evil character. And it is time for any community or any state when e dey practice this ayilolo character, make una stop, because it's becoming too much. I watch a video where dem for dey interview one small gami, say im papa die, na from east, because this kind thing dey happen for east well well. They say the papa sister dey lie for the boy, say the papa dey India dey receive treatment, not knowing say the papa don die since. E come dey sell the property wey the brother get, while the boy dey carry dem comot for inside the house, say the papa say make dem go rent another house. Na the boy say Now this guy house, my papa say make the rent give us from paradise to ghetto. May you see how wicked some Nigeria family can be to their late brother children, to their late brother widow. Thank God for this woman. Say she get leg, which she dey start up. My people, I don't worry too much for this one, and I don't know what you wanna think about this one. But anything you wanna think, make una leave her for the comment section. And if you still dey watch my video and you never subscribe, this na the right time for you to subscribe to my YouTube channel. And don't forget to share my video to people around you. Thanks for watching, and see you all in my next video. Love you guys. Stay blessed. Ciao, ciao.